Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I have bad news for you guys. YouTube announced new policy about YouTube partner program, which is very bad news for those YouTubers and those channels who have less than 1000 subscribers and less than 4000 hours watch time. You can see this. YouTube announced this policy today or yesterday, and email every those channel who don't fulfill the requirements of YouTube. So you can read this paragraph. YouTube said that we are changing the eligibility requirements for monetization to 4000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1000 subscribers. So we have arrived at these new threshold after through analysis and conversation with creators like you. So this is the new policy, and if you have less than 1000 subscribers and less than watch time 4000 hours watch time, so you are in trouble. But one thing is good for you, that is YouTube said that any of the channels who no longer meet this threshold will be paid what they have already earned based on our AdSense policies. So if you have $20 or $40 or $50 less than threshold, which is $100 minimum, so you will be paid after the implementation of this policy. And this YouTube new policy will be implemented on February 20th, 2018, and you will be notified after the implementation of this policy whether you are able or not for monetization. So let's see what's happened next. So this is the news which I want to tell you, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, so press the like button, and if you have any suggestion, any question, so you can ask in comments. And thanks for watching.